Alright, well, the garage is a mess, but today is going to be more of an interesting type of day or days. Not sure how this is all gonna be edited and put together, but I can see we do have the Z in the garage, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but the FRS hasn't been on the channel for quite some time, or I don't know how many videos, but it's been about a month or so since the car has not been here. And right now we're gonna go and look at it. I don't know if the title's gonna say what happened or what's going on with the car, but let's go ahead and go to the car and look at it. It's at my parents' house, so that's where we're gonna go right now. So I'll bring you guys back out when I am at my parents' house. I'm sure you fell at my parents' house. Okay, well, alright, we're at my parents' house. That first is behind me. Fuck, I forgot the keys. Alright, I got the keys. So I don't know how much detail I'm gonna go because I need to hurry up. So here goes the FRS. The hood's a little open, and I open the trunk. But let's go in and tell you guys what happened. So that's what happened. The FRS, the wheel pretty much broke. It's all bent here. Tires clearly gone. But that's not the only thing that's messed up. I'm gonna show how this. It's been sitting here for like a month. Might as well just show you guys the damage that happened. And here goes the damage. There goes the damage to the FRS. It's been a month now. It is what it is, man. I'm over it. This is what happened, you know. Fenders trash. Bumpers a little questionable. I'm hoping the wrap protect the paint from cracking or anything. But I might have to nope, it didn't. Oh fuck, it chipped. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's not gonna catch it. But it cracked the clear coat, so that's gonna have to get resprayed. Alright, that's gonna have to get resprayed, so that's gonna come off. New hood, new fender. The door will have to end up getting removed since it will have to get sprayed. No damage to the door. Clearly the wheel broke. I'll go into more detail as to what happened. Right now I'm just gonna get the car drivable so I can take it to the shop. Right now I can't do a full lock. It's my tires riding on one of the brackets of the headlight that kind of got a little bent. But that's kind of the damage from what I can see. Fender bracket, hood, obviously, bumper, this little radiator support thing, and that's pretty much it. The headlight brackets, all that little components. Hopefully I can get it fixed fast. The one thing I do hate is that I already missed a couple shows because of this accident in the past month. There's been like 2 shows that I missed that I was supposed to be at, which was Clean Culture, and the other one was Tuner Evo, which is the first time they were in Atlanta. And I went to the show. It was pretty good. Just wasn't really feeling it, so I left early. I did hang out with my other 86 friends, but it just wasn't the same not having the car there. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing drivable, and I'm gonna go head it to the shop. Shop will do a full tear down. I'm gonna talk to them and see what we're gonna do about the wrap, because as you know, I did the wrap, and I don't know if the insurance. I'm gonna try to get the insurance to cover the wrap. I'll probably bill them, and then we'll see how it goes, man. It's just a bunch of stress going on right now. Just stressing me out a lot. I don't know how this is gonna go, because this is pretty much all I'm gonna film for today until I get more updates.
If I can fit this in a video, it will be, or if not, no one will know until the car is fixed. I'll see what my brother wants to do, if he wants to edit it and put it in a video, and we'll see, man. We'll see what happens. But alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get to that. I'll bring you back. I'm gonna take off the wheel and everything, but then I'm gonna take the car. I'm not gonna take the camera because I'm not gonna have a car. I'm gonna get my sister to pick me up. Yeah, let's go get to it, man. I'll cut back whenever the car is dropped off. Fix that bracket a little bit, just to the point where I don't rub, and go ahead and take the car. The shop is like close by, so it's not too bad. It's closer to my parents' house, and my house was just kind of when I left it here. I'll go into detail as to how the accident happened and all that, but right now I just want to take this thing to the shop and get it looked at. So see, we talk to the guy and see what we can do. But yeah, I'll bring you guys back out when I drop off the car, I guess, or when I'm back home here. Alright, so here's the car. It's at the shop. This is where I brought it at. I do to go to work. I have brought it here before. It's here in Marietta. But yeah, I'm just waiting for my sister to come pick me up. The car is here. I already signed the car off. I'm gonna go ahead and do a supplement estimate. I already submitted. I already emailed him the estimate the insurance gave me, which was a complete dumb estimate, which I will go over in more detail. Now I'm just chilling, waiting on my sister, and soon we'll be saying goodbye to the FRS. Next time y'all see it, it'll probably be broken down. Estimate will be done. The guy's gonna call me when we get done, so we can set some stuff up to get it fixed as fast as possible, because I need to make the shows, man. I'm missing shows. As soon as I get home, I will do a more depth video with talking about the car.
You on your video?
No, that's it. Hey, babe. Alright, so my sister picked me up, going with the Nas Lexus 200. What is it? IS 250 with the turbo, with 100 shot Nas.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. Just got new grills and they all go. So I got that beef with the Pope.